Well, good morning, dear student. Today we are taking the point that is column elementary transformation. So, in the previous video, you have seen that how to find the inverse of the matrix using row elementary operation. With the help of row, we find the inverse of the matrix. But today we discuss the inverse of a matrix using column elementary operation. As you know, the matrix has inverse as unique. So while we are using the inverse of matrix using column or row, the answer will be same or inverse matrix will be same. So we take the example. With the help of example, we can understand how to find the inverse. So let's see. For using column elementary operation, we may write matrix A can be as A into I. In the previous class, we write the matrix A as I into A, where we are using the row elementary operations. Yeah. So for this, we use the formula that is A equal to AI. So we write the matrix. In solution, you write A can be written as A into I. So put the value of A matrix 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. This is the matrix A is equal to A. Identity matrix corresponding we take of 3 order. So this is the identity. So as we have already discussed, for finding the this our target we have to convert into A into B. Means A we can convert into identity matrix and then corresponding I will get convert into B. So B is called the inverse of A. So our target to convert A into I and then I into B. Okay. So using the column we have to use the here column also. So now see here also when we are using column, we need here one an identity matrix. Our target is I. We have to find this 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. तो आपको ये मैट्रिक्स लानी है लेफ्ट साइड में. So for that we have to follow the rule. तो यहाँ पर आपको 0 की जगह 1 लाना है. So we may again interchange the column. इसमें ये दोनों कॉलम आप उसमें इंटरचेंज कर सकते हो. So this will be 1. So first step is to interchange the column, or you can write C1 C2. Column first and column second are interchanged. So one can write here first column into second. So this is second column we write first and this is so this is the step for second. Now similarly we can write C3 as C3 minus twice of C1. We can write. So this will be on right hand side same rule apply. तो left में आपने क्या वही right में A. Now this column will change. Second convert into first rule. Say 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the step. Now we can use the column third. Third can be written as C3 as C3 minus twice of C1. C3 minus twice of C1. देखिए इसका कॉलम थर्ड का एलिमेंट है. जैसे आपका ये कॉलम थर्ड हो गया, इसमें 1 होना चाहिए तो 1 ही है, लेकिन हम अपने को इस एलिमेंट को चेंज करना है. दैट विल बी C3 minus twice of C1. फर्स्ट कॉलम में से इसको ट्वाइस करोगे तो ये 0 आ जाएगा. राइट. इसको 0 करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, दिस कॉलम माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ दिस. 2 minus 2 0. सो दिस एलिमेंट. तो पहला कॉलम तो वही रहेगा फर्स्ट कॉलम 1 2 1. सेकंड कॉलम भी वही रहेगा 0 1 3. minus 2 into 1, that is 0. 3 minus twice of 2, and 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Then 1 minus twice of this, that is minus 1. So in this way we get the minus 1. This is minus. So A 0 1 0. This is first and second remains same. अब थर्ड कॉलम में हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, C3 minus twice of this. So 0 minus twice of 0 0. 0 minus twice of 1 minus 2. 1 minus twice of 0 1. तो ये आ गया. Now see, then next operation we can write C3 as C3 plus C2. तो ये 0 आ जाएगा. यहाँ 0 लाना हमको 0 0, तो इसको इन दोनों को प्लस कर. So we can use here. This is first column 1 2 1, second 0 1 3. Now our rule is C3 as C3 plus C2. Second और third column को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे. That will be, so C here 0 plus 0, that is 0. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. 1 minus 3, that is 2. Now on the right hand side same rule we apply. First and second column same, 0 1 1 0 0 0. Now 1 plus 0, that is 1. 0 minus 2 minus 2. 0 plus 1 1. So in this way we can use the rule. Then next is we have to use the rule. Now this element we want to convert into 1. So you can divide by 2. Third column is divided by 2. So finally we write here. So we can write here third column divided by 2. So first column remains same, that is 1 2 1. Second is also exactly same. Now this element of the third column is divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2, that is 0. 0 divided by 2 0. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. On the right hand side also we write first and second column as given, that is 0 1 0 1 0 0. Now this column is divided by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2. Okay? So in this way we get the element. Now we have to change the element of the first column, that is C1, which can be written as C1 minus column first can be written as 2 into C2. Clear? Column first minus 2. So this is the first column. Now what we can say here? Column first minus twice of this. So 1 minus 0, this remains again. 2 minus 2, this will be 0. Because we want to convert this into 0. Clear? So we can write here first column as C1 minus twice of C2. 1 minus twice of 0, that is again 1. 2 minus twice of 1, that is 0. 1 minus twice of this, that is minus 6. 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. So 1 0 minus 5. And other two write as given 0 1 3 0 0 1. Similarly on the right hand side, first column we can write this first column can be written as C1 minus twice of C2. So C1 as C1 minus twice of C2. So C1 column 0 minus twice of 1, that is 2. 1 minus twice of 0 1. 1 minus twice of 0, that is 0. This 0 1 0 0. 1 by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2. So this we use. Now next we are getting the element of the first and second rows exactly same as the identity matrix. Now we have to change the element -5 and 3. अब आपको क्या करना है, ये दोनों चेंज करना है, -5 and 3. So you can say -5 plus 1 into 5. That will give you 0. So C1 can be written as C1 plus 5 time of C1 plus 5 time of C2. Column second is multiplied by 5 and add with the not first, this is third one. This is third. So see here, column first plus 5 time of 0, 1 plus 5 into 0, that is 1, 0 plus 5 time of 0, minus 5 plus 5 time of 1, minus 5 plus 5, 0. ये वैसे लिख देंगे वापस एक बार. Now similarly we use on the right hand side for the first column. So see here, C1 plus 5 times. So minus 2 plus 5 times of 2. So what we can say here, minus 2 plus 5 by 2. So minus 4 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 5. That is minus 4. 0 plus 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2. Other remains same. बाकी वही रहेगा. So in this way we get right hand side matrix as 1 by 2 minus 4 5 by 2 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2. Now our target is to change 3 into 0. So you can say this minus this into 3 times. Means C2 can be written as C2 minus 3 times of C3. Okay? So finally we use rule that is C2 as C2 minus 3 times of C2. This rule will finally apply. So see here, column first remains 1 0 0. Now second column we write as second column minus 3 times of third column. So 0 minus 3 times, that is 0. 1 minus 3 times of 0, 1. 3 minus 3 times of 1, that is 0. 0 0 1. Now on the right hand side in the second we use first remains same. Second say C2 minus C2. 1 minus 3 times of 2, that is minus 1 by 2. 0 minus minus plus 3 by 2. 0 minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. And then 1 by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2. So finally we get the result I equal to A into B. Finally we are getting the result which is and I equal to A into B. So in this way we can say that we are getting what? Finally answer I equal to A into B. Okay? So we can say B is the inverse of this A. Here B we are getting finally value of B is, that is the inverse of the matrix A, which is 1 by 2 minus 4 and 5 by 2. Then minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2. So this is the required inverse matrix. So first of all you can write down this one. इसको लिख लीजिए या स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. So this is very important. You have to practice this. After much practice you get the solution. Otherwise it is not possible to easily find the solution of the inverse of the matrix. Example 23. Find P inverse. Find P inverse if it exists given P equal to, we are given matrix P and we want to find its inverse. And this is 2 by 2 matrix. Entries are 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 minus 5 and 1. This is the matrix we want to find whose inverse. So either you can use the column or row. तो आप कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो, आपकी इच्छा है, लिखा हुआ नहीं है. तो here matrix P equal to 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. Let me use row elementary operation. Row elementary operations. अगर हम इसको रो एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशन यूज करते हैं, देन P कैन बी रिटन एज so P equal to I into P. When we are using the row, we write a matrix as P equal to or A equal to I into A or I into P. Correct? So now put the values of P. P means 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. This is P equal to I, that is corresponding identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into P. Correct? Now we can use the row. So you can say here 10, that should be we have to convert into 1. minus 2 into 0 minus 5 into 1. तो लेफ्ट साइड आपका क्या आना चाहिए? We need the left hand side as identity matrix 1 0 0 1. तो इसके अनुसार आपको चेंज करना है. तो 10 को 1 करना है, तो we have to divide this row by 5. इसको मैं 5 से 10 से डिवाइड कर देता हूँ. It is divided by 10. So we use first rule using R1 as 1 by 10 of R1. फर्स्ट रो को हम 10 से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं तो 1 आ जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट हियर 10 divided by 10 1 minus 10 minus 2 divided by 10, that is minus 1 by 5. Only first we have to check. Similarly we stand on the right hand side. Right hand side में भी फर्स्ट रो के अंदर ये टू लागू होगा. 1 divided by 10 0 divided by 10. So this is the first rule we have to apply for the result. Clear? Now we need the second row element as 0. So for that we apply the rule. अब इसको मेरे को 0 करना है. We want to convert this minus 5 into 0. तो इसको क्या करूँगा? minus 5 plus 5 into 1. So that can be converted into 0. So using R2 as R2 plus 5 time of R1. We can write this rule as applying R2 as R2 plus 5 time of R1. So first row तो वैसे ही रहेगी 1 minus 1 by 5 और राइट साइड में भी फर्स्ट रो वही रहेगी 1 by 10 0. अब दोनों साइड में सेकंड रो आपको लिखनी है. राइट? सो सी हियर R2 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 टाइम. जैसे ये रूल हमारा क्या है? R2 कितना है? minus 5 plus 5 टाइम ऑफ R1 कितना? 1 है. पहले एलिमेंट के तो -5 + 5 इसके लिए 0. इसी तरह से इस एलिमेंट के लिए R2 कितना है? 1 प्लस 5 टाइम ऑफ R1 कितना है? -1 by 5. So if you solve this 1 plus -5 upon 5, that is 1 minus 1, which is also 0. Then on the right hand side, if you use 0 plus 5 time of 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. 1 plus 5 time of the 0, that is again 1. Here we have applying the rule and one point we have already noted. एक point मैंने बताया था, if we have all zero of the any row, if we get all the elements of any row or column are zero, then matrix has not inverse or matrix has no inverse or inverse does not exist. May also write like this: if all elements of any row or column are zero, that matrix does not exist. It's a inverse. तो उस मैट्रिक्स का इनवर्स नहीं होगा, राइट? So we can say here in this matrix element of the second row are zero. Here on left hand side second row elements are zero, so P inverse does not exist. तो यहाँ हमारा प्रॉब्लम में भी कह रहा था फाइंड P inverse if it exists. So we can say P inverse does not exist. Clear? P inverse does not exist. So we cannot find the inverse of this matrix. Okay? This is like a theorem. If A and B are symmetric matrices, if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, we are given A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then so that AB is symmetric, so that AB is symmetric if and only if and only if A and B commute or commute, that is commuted is commutative property is this. We have to show this. So this is very important theorem. If and only if means this is very important. If and only means if this pure, then you have to show this, and if this pure, then you have to show this. In both the direction it is pure. Means if we can say AB is a symmetric, then AB equal to BA, or if AB equal to BA, then AB is a symmetric. In both the direction this statement is true. Now since we are given the solution, right? Since given A and B are symmetric, that is A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. Symmetry की definition हमने ये पढ़ी थी. If two matrices are symmetric, then we can say that A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. Now there are two conditions. Either if you are supposing AB is symmetric, then you have to show this. So first part is that let AB is symmetric. Now our job Now therefore if by definition any matrix is a symmetric because the product of two matrices is a matrix, so this is also a matrix. So if this is a symmetric, then we can say this rule will be there, that is AB transpose equal to AB. So we can write AB is symmetric, therefore AB whole transpose should be equal to B by definition of symmetric मैट्रिक्स। सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की डेफिनेशन के अनुसार क्या आना चाहिए, AB होल ट्रांसपोज शुड बी इक्वल टू AB, बट वी हैव रूल। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर AB होल ट्रांसपोज, दैट इज इक्वल टू B ट्रांसपोज A ट्रांसपोज, and we know that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A. Using this formula, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Clear? Also we can write B transpose as B, A transpose as A. So this is B into A, which is equal to AB by 1. यहाँ पर हमने क्या कर लिया, B ट्रांसपोज की वैल्यू B रख दिया, A ट्रांसपोज की वैल्यू A. So finally what we get, AB equal to B, that we want to do. तो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट ट्रू हो गया, as A and B they commute, तो हमने क्या किया, AB सिमेट्रिक मान लिया था तो ये कम्यूट हो गया। अब उल्टा इसका करेंगे, if A and B commute then we have to show that, so this is known as conversely that AB equal to BA, means they commuted। आप देख सकते हो that is A and B are, ये हमने लिख दिया। तो अब प्रूव क्या करना है, AB is a symmetry, right? So we want to prove that AB is a symmetry. So AB equal to BA, and we shall prove that B shall prove AB is, ये हमारा काम है, दिस इज आवर जॉब टू प्रूव दैट AB इज ए सिमेट्रिक। तो सिमेट्रिक के लिए हमको उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालना पड़ेगा। हाउ वी प्रूव द सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, we want to find the AB whole transpose that should be equal to AB। तो इसका जो ट्रांसपोज है वो किसके बराबर आना चाहिए, AB के। So AB whole transpose by definition whole transpose can be written as B transpose A by definition of transpose। Now again B transpose can be written as a B or A transpose can be written as A। So we can write AB whole transpose equal to B into A, that is by 1, equation 1। ये 1 से हमने रूट ले लिया है। So AB, now as we are saying what, conversely let, ये हमने मान लिया AB equal to BA, AB can be represented by BA, so this BA can be replaced by AB। So finally what we get, AB whole transpose equal to as our supposition। So finally what we get, we are saying that AB whole transpose equal to AB। So AB whole transpose equal to AB, it means matrix AB is a symmetry। So therefore as AB whole transpose equal to AB, it implies that AB is symmetric matrix। So this is very important theorem। what say, ये theorem आप अच्छी तरह देख लीजिए। ये क्या कह रही है कि if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then show that AB is a symmetric if and only if A and B। तो जब भी if and only if आती है आपको दोनों तरफ से प्रूव करना, दोनों तरफ से मतलब जैसे AB अगर सिमेट्रिक है तो आपको प्रूव करना है AB इक्वल टू B, और इसका कन्वर्स है if AB इक्वल टू BA, then you have to show that AB is a symmetry। right? This we want to prove. हमको प्रूव क्या करना था? अगर ए बी सिमेट्रिक है तो आपको प्रूव करना है ए बी इक्वल टू बी है, और अगर ए बी इक्वल टू बी है देन यू हैव टू प्रूव द ए बी. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में फॉरवर्ड में चले, फॉरवर्ड में ये मान लिया हमने कि ए बी इज सिमेट्रिक. ए बी सिमेट्रिक है तो इसका ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ए बी, और इसको वापस डेफिनेशन से बी ट्रांसपोज ए ट्रांसपोज बी ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू बी हो गया, ए ट्रांसपोज ए, तो ये वापस प्रूव हो गया. अब कन्वर्सली में ये मानेंगे और ये प्रूव करेंगे, इसका उल्टा चलेंगे इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. ये मानेंगे और इसको, तो ये हमने किया कन्वर्स है दैट ए बी इक्वल टू बी. ए बी इक्वल टू बी है तो हमको इसको ट्रांसपोज पर निकालना पड़ेगा. ए बी होल ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ए. अब बी ट्रांसपोज की जगह बी आ गया, ए ट्रांसपोज बी ए को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे. So in this way we can prove that the matrices are in this order, that is AB and BA commutate. So dear student, this is all about the today's class. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.